Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. I'm going to be doing a few days in like my life as a medical student at Manchester. I'm just showing what I get up to. That's my scenery. That's the bookshop over there. So like we've got like Five Guys and other like shops that you can go around. But yeah, that's it. So I've got another lecture today, an intro lecture, and then consultation skills, which is like communication, like how to communicate with patients, which you'd think people would know how to do, but sometimes they don't. Anyway, that's it. Got my Domino's for free from over there. Now I'm going to eat it after doctor's appointment, so yeah. So I just did some studying in the library with Amy and Hannah, and now I've got that consultation skills class I was speaking about before, where we like learn to do examinations and speak to patients. So let's see if it's good or not. I'm not supposed to have nail varnish on, but whatever. So I've just finished my consultation class where we did a recap of like cardiovascular and respiratory examination, which is just checking the heart and lungs, which was really interesting. I'm going to give my thoughts about my lessons today when I get back home. Now I'm going to go get my bike and cycle back. Here's my baby.
Or whatever, we were walking back, like just after 3. And his flatmate's not there, so he was like, what are you doing?
Yes. Okay, so I'm home now. What I wanted to say about today is that this is honestly one of the best days of teaching that I've gotten at this university. Why? Number one, there wasn't really much technology. Number two, the teacher was like actually standing and like involving herself in the like lesson. And in medicine, everything is so self-directed. They really just want you to do everything by yourself. So actually having someone there step by step explaining what is going on, it just makes you more interested, and I just felt like a proper student. And that's what I love being a student, and when reminded of this feeling, I feel good. But I think it's when the education system fails us, that's when we feel lousy, that we're in school and uni. I really believe that everyone likes to learn. It's just the teaching is just not good. We don't value the role of a teacher in our society, which is really sad. But yeah, rant over. I'm gonna go make some bread now with Amy and Georgie, my flatmates. I'm chopping the olives for the olive bread. Amy said the best place to put our little bread baby is in the boiler room.
I'm sure the cupboard is messy.
Talking to my sister Jamie. Say hi. Something. Okay, put it in the oven.
Affected by Maya's
Watching the Shetty podcast on Diary of a CEO, and he just said a really good quote that I wanted to share. You should always preach, and if you need to, use words. And he's talking about like when you're in a relationship, which to be honest, it can apply to any relationship in your life, whatever that may be. We're very good at pressurizing the other person to stick to our values, and that comes from our ego. And instead, we should inspire the people that we're around by our actions, by how we act, and not pressurize them and force them into doing, because that never works. And then you also work on yourself. So I really like that. But that's it. Yeah, great podcast.
We live in a society where I'd rather have it now, I'd rather go to a surgeon and get it fixed, I'd rather...
Good morning, people. It is Wednesday now. Weird, because of my school. It's like the week starts on Tuesday. Anyway, I can't wake up comfortably. Like, it is so painful for me to wake up. I didn't have anything to do today, like school-wise. We have a day off on Wednesday. And it takes me like an hour to get out of bed. So if anyone knows how to hack the sleep cycle, please do let me know, because I just can't do it. And apparently the internet says that my sleep debt might be high. Anyway, today I've got a Turkish lesson at 11, then I'm tutoring, I tutor history, so I'm tutoring at 12, and then I'm gonna go to the gym and maybe do a little like swim, and then me and Yasmin are recording our podcast for the first time. So we're gonna try and do that and then I don't know what I'll do after. I don't feel good this morning, but we'll make it a good day anyway. So anyway.
Evet bak bakalım hangisi yanlış kelime cümle.
Aşağıdakilerden hangisi yanlış yazılmıştır? Oh pardon tamam. Merhaba benim adım Olga. Memnun oldum. İyi günler. Nerelisin? Senin adın? The last one.
Yeah.
So I have finished my Turkish and my tutoring, which was actually both quite fun today, which is good. And now I'm going to be doing some anatomy, and the way that I'm going to be doing it this term, I think, is I'm going to be putting things straight into Anki and like covering up things. I'll show you when I do it, because I think that's the best way to learn anatomy. It makes it like a game, which is more fun. Yeah, and I always leave anatomy till the end, so I don't want to do that this time. But let's see if that actually happens. So yeah, I'll show you what I do. So the website I use is Teach Me Anatomy usually. This is supposed to be the abdominal wall. I can't gauge what this is. What is this? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna take this image, put it into Anki here, and then I'm gonna cover up like these labels, and I'm gonna do that for whatever I have on my like list of things that they've given us to learn. So as usual, I got bored of doing anatomy. Now I'm walking to the gym, where I'm not going to swim today. I usually do like swim and sauna because my gym has that. So nice, and it's not even that expensive. So I'm going to do a quick gym sesh and then go back home, and that'll be it, and then we'll see what will happen. Gym is over. Yes, I'm lazy, I'm taking the lift. Going home now. That feels good. That's my first workout of 2023. Feels good. How cute is my hair with the little clips? Just went to WH Smith's to see if they had Jay Shetty's new book, the one about love, but they don't. So that's fine. I think me and Amy are going to go to his live tour, which is in May. I love Jay Shetty. I'm so excited. But I don't know where his book is. Maybe he hasn't come out. No, I don't know. Anyway, I'll buy it online. But yeah, Prince Harry's book still is doing well. My God.
Oh, bloody hell, it's Josh again.
Recording the podcast.
It's never replied.
Good morning, guys. I forgot to vlog last night, and that is because Yasmin had mice in her flat and she was home alone, so that was funny to deal with, but tragic for her. But today I'm going to anatomy, so it's an anatomy tutorial where we have like a teacher, and they don't really even explain the anatomy to us. They kind of just test us to see if we know it. And yesterday I didn't really look at it, to be honest, because after the gym I was so tired, so I didn't really do very much. But whatever, we'll just see how it goes, see if my teacher's any good. And that's it, so I'm gonna bike there now. So we had anatomy, and I actually liked our teacher. Did you?
Yeah, so.
Yeah, but I think it was better
She
than
said I
last
had a
year.
breakdown there.
Did she?
Yeah.
She saw Lydia have a breakdown once. Anyway, so now we just had a little chat and food in the SU, and we're gonna study now in the library for a little bit. Lydia's doing her makeup for her.
I've got a giant spot.
So yeah. Me and Lydia's are going, like, she loves the vlog. She loves the vlog. We're going to get food now from the SU, which is that building. I'm going to get a burrito, and you're going to get a chicken potato. Lovely. Good morning, guys. God, I look awful. Feeling pretty rubbish this morning, but I'm at MRI, which is the Manchester Royal Infirmary, and going for a first hospital placement this term, and probably just be speaking to patients on the wards, but I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know about this. So we just came out of the hospital placement. Lydia is over there. I don't know what she's doing. It was so long, and I think that we need to get rid of PowerPoints. Like, no one listens to a PowerPoint. But yeah, we did see patients and it was good in that sense. But I think it could be done in a bit of a better way. But it's still an experience and good. Now I'm gonna get a blood test, and then we've got anatomy dissection back at the like labs where we like look inside like real cadavers. So yeah. Just had the blood test and now back on the bike. I'm gonna go get some food, like maybe like a kebab or something, I don't know, and then have the dissection at 3, so I've got to cycle back to uni. I need the week to be over, not gonna lie, I'm tired. But yeah. How happy are you that it's the end of the week?
I'm so happy it's Friday. I couldn't be more happy to get in my bed actually.
What, for the whole night?
Yeah, I'm sleeping from now onwards.
Oh god, it's over.